All right, I have here some fancy Vachette padlocks. Thanks to Farrell Pickup. So I've got 3 of these here, a little one and 2 bigger ones. If you can see, that's going to focus. You can see the core itself is actually what retains that. So while it's like that, it's locked, and that's open, so fits in like so. Kind of a nifty idea. So we've got this little one here. Looks like 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got these 2 bigger ones. So let's try and pick some of these. Let's start with the little one. Ease in. I might actually just clamp that in the shackle. I think it's going to be the easiest way. All right. Let's move those over there. Move this a bit more central. Let's see if that's going to fit. Too fat. Should have thought of this earlier. Is that one going to fit? Perfect. All right. Let's see if the gem will fit. If not, we'll use the half diamond. Might be a better suit. Now I don't know if this has got. Oh, I think I want the half diamond. Too small this keyway. Oh, I have to go way up there. One, two. I do want this gem after all. There we go. Felt the set there. Oh, and there we go. Open. So pull that like that, all the way around there, and open it goes. All right. That's the little one done. Let's see if we can pick one of these bigger ones as well. So we've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin bigger one. I suspect it'll be the same as the largest size. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That has a different keyway shape though, so maybe we will pick that too. See how we go with this one first. That one's too loose. A nice snug fitting tension out. This bones one's a bit better. All right, making sure we tension the right direction. 1. Oh, I got it. Oh, we got into a very deep pulse set. Oh, where's the shackle and why? I suspect we're hitting on a spring actually. There's no way that's a false set. Which means I might not force it anymore. I'm just going to assume that wasn't open. Let's just very low tension, just make sure there's no counter rotation feeling in there. Nope. Now, what that is almost for sure. Yeah, it sort of goes and then it catches. That is one of the driver springs. It's pushing down into here. Some of these are pretty low cuts, so I'm guessing something like one of these will be sitting too far in, both the key pin and the driver. So I don't want to break it. We're going to call that was successfully picked, even though I didn't really get it open. If I just yanked on it hard enough, we would have snapped that spring in half. And it would have been open, but I don't want to do that, obviously. That will potentially ruin my luck. But it would get it open if it was legitimately out in the wild or something. I said I wasn't going to do this, but let's give it a go anyway. Why not? That keyway is awful. Let's bottom of the keyway that. That bitting looks moderately terrible. By terrible, I mean good for the lock, bad for me. Stuff it. Got it. There you go. Standard pins. Pain in the ass, but it rakes open. So there you go. I did not normally rake things, but I feel like this video was long enough. I honestly rarely have success. So there we go. Nice Vachette padlocks. Not the most secure things in the world, but still a bit of a pain in the ass. It's a shame I can't gut them. Here you go. You can see how that core works on one that's a bit bigger. So it's unlocked. The core turns like that, and then it locks, holding it in. So nifty mechanism, cool shaped padlock, made by Vichette, nice French company. They make cool stuff. Presumably that means hardened. And there you go.